We're still at Colville. Is it Colville? Yeah. Colville Bay Campground. Whatever. We've been here a week, sorry.
Colville, she does it all the time.
Our friend Dave came out. Now he's got a Travato, which is on it's on the same chassis as a full-size Zion, I believe, right? It's the Dodge 3500?
3500.
Okay, so a little bit longer than ours, but what he's done a ton of modifications to it. But one that he did recently is a Sumo Spring. Now kind of just explain to us what that is and maybe a comparison how the ride was before you installed them and then after you installed them.
Basically, the back of these vans on the leaf spring come with a kind of a shock, but there's about 2 to 3 inches between the spring and where the van would come down if you hit a bump. So in sense, what happens is your back of the van does a lot of bit of swaying and rocking until the stock rubber bumper comes and touches the spring underneath the wheel. So what this does is it's an aftermarket and it takes up all the extra space, so there's not a lot of swaying, because when the factory builds these, they're not building them to support the weight of an RV, they're building them to support the weight of the van. So this actually picks it up. And
I've sat in the back of our van and I can tell you there is a lot of sway and a lot of bumping going on.
One thing, if I go over speed bumps, and probably everyone who's driven the Promaster chassis long enough in an RV, is that you got to hit him straight on. If you hit him at an angle, it's just that the back end goes over.
It goes away.
That
goes away.
eliminates
100%.
all that.
Yep.
All right. Take this under there and check them out.
There, and here's another angle from the front looking back.
About how long do those take to install fully?
So the easiest way to do it is take off the wheel, and then when you remove the wheel, the bump stop actually is clearly exposed. So as you remove that wheel, you take this wheel up, right at the bottom in the back, you can just unscrew it with your hand and take it off and put the new one back on.
So did it give you any extra height?
1 inch.
It did?
Yep, a
1
inch clearance.
And this is something you only do on the back wheel?
Well, no, they actually do on the front, but in the front, you keep your existing spring, and there's a black device that clamps onto the spring, and it impedes it from damping too much, which I didn't really like the idea of that. And Sumo Springs said, well, these are really designed to work with front and rear, but the majority of the people just do the rears, and nobody's had any issues. And it doesn't void your warranty. So
this is good to know. It sounds like something we would like to do at some point. Yeah.
Sounds pretty simple. So I guess just use the jack kit that comes with it.
So what I did was I went and put the factory jack underneath it, and then I bought a $19 pair of jack stands from an auto parts store and put the jack stand on the back just to be safe. Now, my buddy that installed them, Nick, he went ahead and just climbed under here just the way you just looked at him. Me personally, I would have popped the wheel off and then just physically undid them.
So he didn't jack it up at all?
No, he jacked it up so he could get under there.
Oh.
But he said don't waste your time taking off the wheels because it's so much faster to do it this way. Personally, folks, just take the wheel off and then you're just looking at it and you just... and it's off.
You wouldn't have to climb.
You don't need to get under it. Oh, okay, that sounds better.
Two
to
different
me.
ways.
Cool.
Sumo Springs.
Sumo Springs.
Spelled S-U-M-O.
Sumo, S-U-M-O, and then Springs.
We are at the River Mountains Loop Trail. Did you see it? I had to like look at the map to read the name. I don't know. Names just evade me, elude me, all those things.
It's 7:30 in the morning.
And Dave's gonna hop on the bike this morning. It's a 30-mile paved.
Is it 30 miles?
Oh, I don't know. We keep saying 30. Is it 30?
30-ish.
I don't know. It's a paved bike
I'll let you
trail.
know when I'm done.
He's going to take the camera with him, so he's going to do some filming. Pistol has her appointment tomorrow to get her stitches out. And she's doing great. Yes. She's completely off all her pain meds right now.
Slept all night long.
Yeah, she had a really good night. And it's pretty early in the morning. How early did you say? It's like 7:30 or so.
It's awful early.
Yeah, but we went to bed so early last night, so...
Well, it's supposed to be 90 today, so
Yeah, we had to get this ride out of the way. So while he's out doing that, I'm going to work on a video. Hopefully get that up soon. And yeah, so that's kind of how our day is starting.
guess I should go ride my bike now. Maybe a cup of coffee first.
Okay, coffee time. I got a tank top with Pistol's face on it. She needs a shirt with my face on it. We're at the ophthalmologist, and today's the day she gets her stitches out.
I
Pistol!
think she's supposed to.
She's anxious.
We left her here for 6 hours once.
I know, and they poked her eye.
It is 79 degrees at 8 in the morning. It is time to head for the hills.
Yeah, so I think the plan is if we get the green light from the vet today, I think we'll have one more appointment at least, maybe in a week. But she should be good enough to kind of leave the area. So we're thinking of going to Prescott, Arizona. It's up at elevation.
But
It'll be in the 60s.
No, it'll be in the mid to upper 70s.
Okay, so still 20 degrees cooler than here.
Yeah, it's going to be in the mid 90s here for like the next extended forecast.
Too hot, so we're gonna head for the hills. We'll let you know how this goes with our little girl. Yeah. Pistol! She is ready to leave the vet's office. She got the stitches out. Yeah! Happy girl! Happy girl!
He says, let me in the van.
Everyone's happy. We have one more appointment in a week, so we are free to wander. We don't have to stay close, so we are gonna head to Prescott. And oh, I've missed those bug eyes. Yeah, Pistols. That looks better, girl.
He said it's about 99% healed. There's one tiny little spot. He said it should be totally healed in a day or so.
Yeah.
She says, let's get out of here.
All right, let's go. I agree.
Let's get out of here, Scoob.
Welcome to Arizona. We just went over the Hoover Dam.
Heading down the highway.
Looking for adventure. Whatever comes our way.
Born to be wild.
We found dispersed camping.
We've been here before.
We have been here before, a long time ago. This is just east of Ash Fork off of I-40. It's time for lawn chairs. We've driven, or you've driven, close to 200 miles a day, I think. I think we were just excited because we got to leave. We're like, let's just drive.
Yeah, that's actually a long drive for us.
I know, it is.
But we're heading to Prescott, and Prescott's about an hour farther. We thought, well, we could drive all the way to Prescott, or we could just stay here for free one night, hit Prescott in the morning.
Yeah.
This is just kind of a real peaceful spot.
I would say absolutely positively Pistol is doing so much better.
Yeah. We're ready to go some hiking again tomorrow. A lot of trails to hike. Okay.
I think we're gonna end this video right here. Yeah, next time we see you, we'll be in Prescott.